Now in this example, the value of sum is inside the function. What if you want the sum value inside the main function from where the sum function is called? As a function can take values or information, it can return it back as well. Let me keep only one sum function called at the moment. Let me try with this first sum function. Before the sum, I will say int s is equal to sum 5, 6. And now I will display the value of s. So by this code, I expect the sum function to return the sum value to variable s. But it means the function should return the value, and to do so, we have the return statement. So let me remove this cout and instead I will say return a plus b. So this should return the sum of a and b. But this means now we have to inform the function that it returns a value of type integer. So first in the declaration, I will write int instead of this void, and here also with the definition, I will say int. Now if you look at the declaration, you can make out that this function's name is sum. It takes two arguments, both of type integer, and it returns an integer as well. Now let's run the code, and you can see that the variable s has the sum. In fact, in this particular case, you can even directly say cout rather than this extra variable. I can say cout sum of 5, 6. Here the function returns the value, and that returned value you need to assign somewhere, or you can redirect the returned value to the console. When a function is not returning anything, you can simply write sum of 5, 6 as we saw earlier. But the moment it returns something, then it must have a variable to get the value, or else you can directly cout.